friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a battle royale of packing cubes. Yes, you heard it right, packing cubes. Over the course of my YouTube channel, I have done quite a bit of travel content, and in doing so, I've been lucky enough to be sent products from various different brands to try out and review. So I have packing cubes from 4 different brands that I thought would be fun to compare and contrast and give my very honest review on, and trust me, I'm going to be honest. The 4 brands that we're going to be discussing today are Manos, Quince, Foldie, and Bagsmart. I'm going to try to be as succinct as possible to try to just give you guys the necessary information without the fluff. That can be a struggle for me, but I'm going to try. I will provide you with the details for each packing set, things like the price, the dimensions of each cube, how many you get in a set, etc. So without further ado, let's jump in and talk about packing cubes. I am a recent packing cube convert myself. I would say in the last 2 years, I have really gotten on board the packing cube train. I think especially now that we are packing as a family, like it's me, my husband, and our almost 2-year-old son, I just find it's really nice to be able to keep everyone's stuff in their own little packing cubes. I just feel like that's really helpful. I'm going to start with my least favorite packing cube set in the video, and this is where we're gonna be really brutally honest. First up, we're gonna discuss packing cubes from the brand The Foldie. Do not buy these. Okay, let me explain why I feel like you should not buy these. So I have been sent a few different products from the Foldie brand. I actually love their Foldie bag. I've used that as a personal item when flying multiple times. I feel like that bag is great quality. They also sent me a cosmetic case, and I feel like that's really nice quality. So I do not know what happened with these packing cubes, but you guys, they are like hands down the worst ones I've ever tried. I told you I was gonna be honest. I'm gonna be brutally honest. So in the Foldie packing cube set, you get 3 packing cubes and then a bag that you can use for shoes or dirty laundry. These are not compression packing cubes, so you're not able to compress the bags down at all. And the going rate for this 3-pack plus the little bag is $39.95. This packing cube set from the Foldie is definitely the cheapest of the ones we're looking at today. I don't know what the going rate is for a packing cube, but some of these can really skew kind of pricey. So $40 is not that bad of a deal, I guess. But you do only get 3 packing cubes, and the sizes, as you see, do not vary very much. Like, you're not getting an assortment of sizes. You're really getting 3 that are very similar in size. I think my biggest problem, especially these being $40, is that these are just unbelievably cheap feeling. They are so flimsy feeling. As soon as I pulled them out of the shipping package, I was like, absolutely not. These feel like something you would use like 2 or 3 times and they would literally fall apart. So a couple specific things that I do not like. Nylon that makes up the bulk of these packing cubes just feels really flimsy. When I compare them to especially the Quince and Manos packing cubes, it is like a night and day difference in how sturdy those feel compared to the Foldie ones. The mesh, the Foldie packing cubes is extremely rough. Like, I could exfoliate my body with this mesh. That is how rough this feels. Again, in just comparing them to other brands, it's just like very obvious that this is so much worse quality than the other ones. And the final kicker on this for me is the zipper. The zipper feels so flimsy. I would be surprised if the zipper lasted through 1 trip. I'm gonna be honest. Like, the zipper feels super low quality. So for the price of $40 for a 3 packing cube set, plus the bag, I just feel like this is absolutely not worth it, and I do not recommend purchasing these ones. I cannot believe how poor the quality is, especially given everything else that Foldie has ever sent me has been really nice. I was really shocked by this. So I do not recommend the packing cubes from the Foldie. The next packing cubes we're gonna discuss is from the brand Bagsmart. So I have quite a few travel products from Bagsmart, and I actually really love that brand. I feel like their products are very high quality for a good price. And I have a toiletry bag from them that I swear by. Like, I take it on every single trip. I actually did a whole video about it. That's how much I love it. So I am very familiar with Bagsmart bags, would absolutely purchase from them again, and actually really enjoy their packing cubes. Packing cube set that I have from Bagsmart is the Blast packing cube set. It comes in a few different cute colors. They are $50 for the set, and in the set you get 5 packing cubes plus a bag that you can again use for shoes, dirty laundry, etc. Things that I like about the Bagsmart ones, I really like that they each have an individual handle on them. I feel like that is a really nice touch, that you can have a handle on each packing cube. Compression packing cubes, and the zippers just feel really high quality. I feel like the zippers here between this one and the Foldie are like night and day different. Nylon feels a lot sturdier. I feel like the mesh is definitely a higher quality than the one on the Foldie, but like, do I care that much about the mesh and how it feels? Like, no, but I was just so shook by the quality of the Foldie one that I feel like I need to mention it now. But I do feel like the quality of the Bagsmart ones are very nice. Potential con I see is that the size and shape of the Bagsmart ones are all very similar. In the photo, the two smaller cubes are the same size, and then the three slightly larger ones all are kind of the same shape and size. Again, this might not even be a con, because I will say with some of my other packing cube sets that we're gonna get into, some of them include sizes that are almost awkward to use. So maybe this is actually a good thing. Maybe this isn't a con at all. Maybe this is a pro. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I do recommend the Bagsmart packing cubes. I feel like for the price, you are getting a great quality product. I would double check their website, because I think they do have a few different versions of packing cubes. Like, there's a few different sets you can get, and they might even have ones that have different dimensions in each set. So I would definitely check that out. I'll link everything discussed below in the description. But overall, I really love Bagsmart as a brand, and I think for $50, you're getting a great product that will make your traveling a lot easier. The last two brands I have to discuss are Quince and Monos. I have a lot to say because they are my favorites. And I almost feel like I need to kind of discuss them in tandem because they have a lot of similarities. First up, we have the Quince Eco Compression Packing Cubes. I have used these so many times, you guys. I absolutely love these. I think that the Quince packing cubes and the Monos ones are definitely my most reached for ones. The Quince packing cubes come in a set of 6. Like I said, they are compression packing cubes, and you do get a variety of sizes, which is very nice. They do come in an assortment of colors, and if you buy a Quince suitcase, you can like get coordinating colors, which like, that appeals to me personally. I actually picked the color of these packing cubes because they sent me a suitcase and I picked the green one, so this matches my green suitcase. The reason that I keep reaching for these Quince packing cubes is because the quality is just incredible. I feel like there's a very noticeable step up in quality from the Bagsmart packing cubes to the Quince ones. The nylon is very soft, feels very durable. The mesh on the top of the Quince packing cubes just feels way more high quality than the mesh on the Foldie or Bagsmart packing cubes. The zippers are super smooth. You can definitely tell that it's a high quality zipper. I do love that these are compression. I have washed these and they do just fine in the wash. I reach for these Quince ones every time that I travel. I love the compression on these. I don't know, they just feel like a really nice quality product. The price on these is $59.90. So for $60, you get this 6-piece packing cube set, and I feel like these are great quality. The Bagsmart set is 5 packing cubes with the bag, and that is $50. And I just feel like for $10 more, this is a huge step up in quality. And I love these. I use these on like every single trip. So I do highly recommend the Quince packing cubes. I swear by these. Which leads me to our final brand, which is Monos. These are definitely the fanciest packing cubes. They're the most expensive packing cubes in this video. So let's jump in and talk about it. Let's get the price out of the way because this is asinine in my humble opinion. Again, thank you Monos for sending these to me, but like this price is crazy. For a set of 4 packing cubes, so I was the set of 6. For a set of 4 packing cubes, it is $95. And for a set of 6, it is $115. That's a lot for some packing cubes, I'm gonna be honest. I will say, look how cute these are. This color was part of their collaboration with Magnolia Bakery, and this is my favorite color on earth. A lilac lavender is my absolute favorite color, so when I saw these, I was beside myself, and I was so thrilled that I was able to get these when they offered to send me one because this color is so cute. So, the price aside, let's talk about the features. So again, these are a compression packing cube. Lots of space in these to put your stuff in and then compress it on down. The mesh on these is extremely similar to the Quince packing cubes. Again, just feels like really nice quality. The zipper feels like a great quality. The nylon, it feels very sturdy. And again, I've thrown these in the washing machine with no problems at all. They have a few different color options to choose from. I don't know if this color is still available. I will link it if it is, but I am obsessed with this color, obviously. So when I am packing to travel somewhere, I am always reaching for the Quince and Monos packing cubes. Those two are absolutely my favorite ones. But I will say this, you guys, and this is why I kind of wanted to group Quince and Monos together in this video. These are not different. I would say to the naked eye, there is no obvious difference between these two products. Again, the Quince 6-pack retails for $60 and the Monos 6-pack retails for $115. When I tell you that there is really no difference in quality or feel between these two products, like it's kind of insane, to the point where when I opened the Monos ones about a year after having these Quince ones, I was shocked at how similar these are to the Quince packing cubes. I actually got out my Quince ones when I was like preparing to do the Monos video because I couldn't believe how similar these are, not just in like the shape and dimension of the packing cubes, but even just the finishes. The nylon feels so similar. The mesh is like indistinguishable between the two brands. The zippers look the same and feel the same. It's kind of crazy. So while I do love my Monos packing cubes and I quite literally use them on every trip, I also use the Quince ones on every trip. Usually when I'm packing for me and our son, slash like when my husband's packing, we're using a mix of all of the Quince and Monos packing cubes. But I do want to say from the point of giving a review on this is that if the Monos ones aren't in your budget, absolutely get the Quince ones. And honestly, even if the Monos ones are in your budget, the Quince ones are virtually the same thing. Like if I could get the packing cubes for $60 instead of $115, I'm absolutely gonna do that. To wrap up this video, I would not recommend the Foldie packing cubes. I think there are other great products from the Foldie brand, but the packing cubes are not one of them. I feel like they are a poor quality product. I feel like they're not going to last you that long. And they're $40 for something that honestly feels very, very cheap, and you're only getting 3 packing cubes. For $10 more, you could order the 5-pack set from Bagsmart, and those are way better quality. I do recommend packing cubes and other travel accessory products from Bagsmart. Everything I've tried from them, I've really enjoyed. So I do think that their product is a good quality product, even though it's not the one that I reach for all the time. Hands down, my favorite packing cubes are from Quince and Monos. Of all the packing cubes I've tried so far, those are definitely my favorite. I just feel like the quality is excellent. I can tell they're going to last for a really long time. I love that they are compression, and I love that they seem sturdy and that they are easy to clean. There is quite a price difference between the Quince packing cubes and the Monos ones. So with that in mind, while I do love both, I think my final recommendation for you is to try the Quince packing cubes. They are excellent quality, and I feel like you'd be really happy with your purchase if you tried the Quince ones. Well, that is it, you guys. That is all of my thoughts on all of the packing cubes that I own. I really hope this video was helpful for you. I would love to know what packing cube brands you guys are using and loving, so please leave the brands in the comments below. I would love to be able to do more comparisons and see if there's something that I love more than the Quince and Monos ones. There are truly so many different brands out there. I feel like it'll be a never-ending quest to find the best one, but I'm still curious, so please leave them in the comments. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next one.